A lot of to-dos today around the farm fed homestead. You want out, Juju? Come on, big guy. Come on, let the big man out. Come on, big guy. Come on. Do your thing, big guy. We got some work to do. We got compost to mix, chicken manure to break, and we'll barrel over to the compost. We'll give the chicken some new bedding today. Shovel. Pitchfork. Here's our chicken coop. It's a good bit of it. It's like a 4-inch, 5-inch pile of it. I don't know how to gauge it, but a good bag of poop there. That's how it falls through the bamboo. And the best thing about this chicken manure is the microbes. That's what we want, is the microbes. That's what we need. You see, got a wheelbarrow full of manures and leaves and all types of stuff, feathers, and it's pretty clean. And it's really good to have all your systems close together, you know, where you have your chickens and where you make your compost, all these things relative to your garden out there. Yep, and this is our pile of ash. Here we just have some fruit that's kind of going bad from the holidays. Everybody knows those holiday baskets that you get that have all the fruit in it. There's no way you're eating it fast enough. So we'll just cut everything up best way we can. And that'll do it. Get all that ash and manure, leaves, food scraps, get all that mixed on in there. And there you have it, simple compost. You have your greens, your browns, you're soaking it down full of water with your microbes, getting that process started, and you turn it every 3 or 4 days and watch the magic happen.